Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up Yespo CDP Actions Automation for workflow apps. Once you're in your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app, and click on it. Install, click on Allow and Install. Once your app has been successfully installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentations. Under the tutorial, you're going to have access to the Smartcue video that is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We equally have the configuration walkthrough video that is going to help you to set up your app. Under the setup, we discovered that our app haven't yet been connected. But no worries, we are going to walk you through on how to connect your app. First thing, you're going to head over to your account online. Click on the highlight, click on settings, scroll down and click on API. Click on Main Key, enter a description, and then you're going to select the right access for the API key. We're going to be choosing full access, and then you click on Save. As you can see, our API key has been created. So we are going to copy our API key and head over back to our account. Click on Start Setup. Click on Start Setup. Paste your API key. You go back to your account. Click on your profile and copy your email, which is going to serve as your username. Copy. You head over back to your account. Paste your username, your email. Then you click on Complete Setup. As you can see, our app has been successfully connected. We equally have the support center. At the level of the support center, you can create a ticket for our support team, or you can book a call with our support team. We have the change log. At the level of the change log, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the update of the app. And in order for you to receive these notifications, you're going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. And that is it. I hope this tutorial helped you get everything set up. If you need any help, our support team is here for you 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.